Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to hard reset HP docking station, easy reset and troubleshooting guide. Step 1. Isolate the docking station. First, turn off your laptop and safely disconnect it from the docking station. Then unplug all connected peripherals devices like USB drivers, monitors and Ethernet cables from the dock. Then, unplug the dock's power AC adapter from the wall outlet or surge protector. Step 2. Perform the power drain. With the dock now completely unplugged from all power and devices, press and hold the dock's power button for at least 15 to 30 seconds, as this clears the residual free power from the internal capacitors. Step 3. Reconnect and boot. Then reconnect the dock's power cable to the wall and the dock. Once done, plug the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable back into your laptop and turn on your computer and wait for about 15 to 30 seconds for the dock and the computer to sync. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.